I made $5,200 today, and in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what I traded. And here's the proof for the $5,200. As you can see, it's January 26th. There's the 5,200, and as you can see, I'm connected into my Thinkorswim account with real-time data. So my biggest winner today was the ZSL. This is the ultra short silver ETF, meaning whenever silver goes up, this ETF goes down. And silver, SLV, had a big gap up today, and it started to get bought right off the market open. So I went to the ZSL to find a potential entry short. And the reason I focused on the ZSL is because it is highly liquid and it could be quite scalpable. It did like over 800 million shares today. And I was able to catch this initial breakdown right here, and I caught this short. I also caught a little bit of this short, and then I actually didn't really pay attention to it after that, which was a huge mistake. And I was not able to catch this move, which I really regret, and I caught a little bit of this move, which made me around $3,000. From there, I did scalp it in pockets on this move up. Most, I would say notably, is I caught this move higher right here with some decent share size. And to be honest with you, I feel like I really missed out. Like, I caught a couple of these moves, but I did not focus on the ZSL as much as I should have today. So I mentor and live trade for about 100 students, and I had students who made way more than me on the ZSL. My boy Christian cleared over 11,000 on it, and my boy Gio cleared over 12,000 on it, and they were literally scalping it just all day long. So yeah, I obviously feel good about today. I made over $5,000, but I know that I could have done a lot better if I really just put all of my focus on the ZSL, and instead I kept scanning and trying to find other setups. It just goes to show that when you have one stock that is consistently working for you, that is making you money, focus on it. Don't try to scan and find new setups. Do what's actually currently working. Is what it is. Still a good day, and looking forward to trading the rest of the week.